Hmasa in va in chibai phot ule hei tu na kan video ran share tur hi kan fanu Daphne tet laya ballet jazz le tap dance akalna video ania a video hi arei to em a mero chu a hlu ve viawin kan share kum som thum kalta mi ania a quality po a thalo em a VHS atanga le lin chop ani awangin dua thu sam lawa tin hei thalak then khat kan ronda hei hi Richarda pa ania Richarda hian a fanu hi a duat em ani hei hi Richarda nu le pa ani boka famu masak ber chu kan lo duat em mai hi alo nia kan afapa kan duat lo ti nan nilavin hei kanu hianin ka fapa chu aduat big ve deuh thung ni in halang boka engpo ni se kan video hi ilo thli rang ule my grandma's hanging out right now. It's all red. See that? Red hair. He's looking at you. Yeah, but we just You're back? Yeah, have you been on vacation too? Not yet? Yeah, she did. Didn't you all go to the beach? Yes. We went to the beach. Have you been on vacation? Not yet? Yeah, the mom said she went to the beach. Where is Sarah? At home. Have you gone on vacation yet?
Yeah, you did. You went to a hotel, remember? Went swimming.
Now, off the bars. Off. That's a big no-no. Who's coming to see you more? Okay, look in the mirror and go, hi, Grandma! Yeah, so she can see the tape. Because she's missing this. Definitely. Okay, our very best, okay? We're going to do all our routines for you. Ready?
Say hello.
And that's why she's complaining going back to her yard. That's why she's doing her
Her flip-flops on the wrong feet.
Okay, ready? Who can show me a plie? Okay, Meredith. All right, everybody ready? Keeping our back straight. Remember, we don't stick our fannies out. Okay, keep that back straight. Ready? And plie. And up. Get those heels together, Miss Laura. There you go. Plie. And up. Now remember, I said we don't do this. That looks gross. Okay. Keep your back straight. Ready? Plie. Much better. Let's tuck those fannies in real tight. Ready? And plie. Now let's do, who can show me a releve? Usually they look at me like I'm from another planet. Okay, very good. In first position, heels together, gentlemen. Arms over your head, ballet fingers. Releve. Get up there. Hold it, don't wobble. Come on, I see you. Hold it, don't wobble. And come down into a plie. Releve, plie. Releve, plie. Who can show me an arabesque? There's right on the bottom there. Okay, now we look at our arm. Look up at your hand. Nice, pretty leg. Look up at those fingers. No thumbs. Don't let me see any thumbs. Very nice. Okay, who can show me an arabesque to the other side? Step. No, your right foot. Stand on your left foot, Laura. Put your left foot on the floor. That's it. And point your other toe. That's it. Figure it out. Atta girl. Very good. And back to first. Who can show me out to second, back to first? Jump out to second, back to first. Except we don't look like elephants, do we?
No.
Oh, give me a break. How can someone that little make all that noise? No, listen. I don't want to hear them. Okay, ready? Out to second. I didn't say that yet. Back to first. Out to second. Back to first. Now I'm leaving myself wide open on this one with a good. So, but who can show me a point?
A point.
Oh, thank you. And this thing last year, I said the whole class. Okay, who can show me what's got the whole year ago? I couldn't believe it. I mean, it was like, with your foot. Okay, right. Arms out. And point. Remember, the little toe is all on the floor. Okay, bring it back to first. Point. And back to first. Who can show me ballet walks? Nope. Nope. Yes. All right, let's back it up. Spread out. Are you got Velcro on you or something? Velcro? Good. Nice. Yeah. Genetic personality. Okay, arms out. Are we eating our hair again? Yeah. Okay. Ready? Remember, we're going to point our toe, walking forward. We're going to extend our leg. That means to make it really stiff. And then we're just going to lower our heels so they're really pretty. And what do we have on our head? A pretend what?
A big hand basket.
And what's in the basket?
Food.
Yeah, and what time, right? So we have to keep our heads nice and straight. Because if you do this or this, you're going to be dancing on mush, right? So let's keep our heads nice. Ready? Arms up. Okay, and point. Lower your heel. Point. Get those heads up nice and pretty. Point. 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 Come on, get that leg way out there. Let me see my straight leg. Point. Continue to stretch it out there. Okay. Stretch. Very good. Who can show me more?
Ole khati zong kha ania hi ka thiannu herin ka fanu mizo de ya azai atum sakani hi Richarda nu and great grandmother ania hi ke ni chung ka channel te min lo thir sak zel wangin in hne na nom thu ka ran sei le. Thank you very much. God bless.